Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use appliques and hot fix rhinestones to decorate masks and cup holders and purses and other things. We're using Swarovski hot fix rhinestones, and they're made very well. They have an extra strong glue that is washable, and you can throw it in the dryer. You don't have to worry about them. If they're heated right, they will not fall off. This is a mask that I just made in my past video that's going to be on YouTube. And today we are going to be working with appliques. Now this is a cherry blossom applique, and it has a glue on the back. So I cut this up into a few pieces so that it would fit my mask and have a nice flow. So I'm going to tuck that like that, and then put a cute little butterfly flying, and I think that's a nice direction. And maybe at the same time I'll throw on just a few crystals just for fun. Maybe a few more in the cherry blossoms, or I can actually use a heat tool to add that later. So that looks pretty. I'm gonna get an iron, and then you want to use a hot iron. We're working with cotton fabric, so it can be on high, and you want to press down with quite a bit of pressure for about 40 seconds while you're waiting for the glue to activate. And don't use any steam, just pressure, no movement. Hold it there nice and firm for about 20 to 40 seconds depending on the stones. The larger stones need a little bit more time. Okay, I'm gonna lift that up, and I'm not gonna touch that right now. I'm gonna let that cool off. I'm not gonna try to move anything around. So that's one. And did you see that took me maybe 2 minutes at the most to do? And later on I can iron that and get that nice and straight. Here's another iron-on applique that it's so pretty. This is a bag that you can put a Starbucks drink in. So when you're running out of the house, you can hold this and you can put more things in your hands. You're not trying to balance a cup and, you know, no fingers. So here's that rhinestone, and I don't know, maybe I'll throw something else around it. You don't have to use other crystals, but it just adds some color and it's fun. So for now I've just used those three. And again, the heat and the pressure, no steam, 40 seconds, but this time I'm not going to hold this one for 40 seconds because I don't want to keep you guys here the whole time waiting with me. So I'll just leave this on the side, but you see it's on there. I'm just going to go back later and continue it, make sure it sticks well. Here's a hibiscus crystal applique. Now the issue with this applique is there's different size stones. So I'm gonna put it right here. Won't that look cute on this cup holder? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna position it where I want, and then I'm gonna flip it around, and then I'm going to try to catch it from the back so that where the glue is closest to the surface of the iron, the heat surface. And again, same thing. Pressure, no steam, and high heat. So as you can tell, I'm having lots of fun. While we're waiting, I can show you I've done this mask right here with appliques, and I have the butterfly, I have this cherry blossom applique, and then in there I went on later and put some single rhinestones on there. And what else have I done? This mask. These are appliques. They were all already pre-made. So now, here's a little koala bear. I stuck a little flower right here in his head. So I'm gonna open this one up. Hopefully it worked. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, because when you pull it too soon, sometimes the sticky part of the paper removes the glue when it's not fixed yet. So all different kinds, and we have all different kinds of appliques. I'm trying to figure out where to put this one. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm having lots of fun. And I have this whole basket full of iron-on appliques. Here's cherry blossoms and all different colors. We have hedgehogs. We have cute bunny rabbits and little mice. But really pretty ones too. We have beautiful butterflies. I think that's in another basket right now. And I'm just going through this. This will all be on our This will all be on our website at cbysparkle.com, and you can purchase it there, or we have a store that you can come by and see. We have all kinds of masks. We have these cute adult size masks, Mickey masks. We have children's masks, and we have all different kinds, just tons of different masks that you can buy online, and we have a special deal if you buy 5 or more masks. So just check it out and see. We even have ways to, little beads you can put on the ends to tighten your mask or adjust your mask. So come and see us on our website, or come in and visit our store, cbysparkle.com.